What's cracking, my lack, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing 101 loot box unboxing for the new Overwatch summer event. There's something that you should know about this. Number one, I have 146 loot boxes instead of the summer event ones, and they're not all the summer event loot boxes actually. So we got that. Actually, only about 4 of them are from the summer events. And then we have 71 normal ones. But yeah. Yeah, guys, this is it. This is our big 146, 147 loot box unboxing. We did it, guys. This is all we came for in the first place. You know me, a huge Hanzo player. So, I would like to thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the like, subscribe button. Make sure to check out my Twitter and my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is in the description below. I made a new video. You guys should watch it. I'll leave a link to the new video as well in the description.